Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S here with the weekly stock market review. I hope everybody's enjoying this weekend. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and without any further ado, let's see the charts. Week behind us, another crucial week ahead of us with Amazon and Apple earnings coming up Thursday. And as we can see, 460 now to the upside is the resistance. Above it, we are heading towards all-time highs. We are only 5% from all-time highs. If you are a bear, still looking for this crash to the downside, my heart goes out for you. QQQ. 382 now is the resistance. Above it, we are heading 400 and 407 with 374 and 367 to the downside is the support. And of course, we are on the weekly chart. Always zoom out to get a better point of view, clean the noise from the daily chart. You get a better point of view of price action. IWM 190 is the support now from resistance. Now once again, support. Let's see continuation above 200 and then we will see 210. Dow Jones, very nice price action in the past 3 weeks. Looks like this past week, bulls of the Dow got somewhat tired. 347 to the downside needs to hold. Let's see continuation towards 366. Bitcoin, another week, another nothing. As we can see, in the past 5 weeks or so, 28,600 holding support, 31,700 is the resistance. So we need to wait and see where Bitcoin is heading. We have this trend line that helps us to identify that for now, Bitcoin on the weekly is in uptrend. Long continuation above 31,700 towards 36 and then 42,600. Ethereum, same thing. As we can see, very tight price range on Ethereum since April. Nothing much. This area of support, the 1730 and the 1830 support area. 1970 is the resistance. Above it, 2160. Below this area, we are heading towards this white trend line. Oil, if you follow me on Twitter and you saw previous videos, you know these levels and you know this area, this box. Let's clean the chart. You know this box as we identify this area as a very tough resistance for price action. And now here we are. Let's see bulls of oil. Can they break up and above towards 94? We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, but we don't really need Fibonacci. We only need to look left. Above this area, we have 89 and then 96. Apple earnings coming up Thursday after the closing bell. 4 weeks, 185 to the downside, 198 to the upside. Good reaction for earnings, and we are heading towards this white trend line to the upside. Bad reactions, and we are heading towards 176. Follow price and use levels and trend lines as your future. Amazon basically doing nothing in the past 5-6 weeks. 128 to the downside, 137 to the upside. Also earnings coming up Thursday after the bell. All eyes on Apple and Amazon earnings. Meta continuing towards the 353, 360 area. Then we are heading towards all-time highs. Who would believe? Look at this massive V-shape correction. It's not a correction, it's a crazy bull run. 282 now is the support. Next, 350 and then 388. Google with nice earnings. Now all we need is continuation above 133, and then we are heading towards new all-time highs at the 151, 152. Microsoft, with all the noise, all we need to do, we zoom out to the weekly, we look left. What has Microsoft done in the past few weeks? Nothing. 326 to the downside, 352 to the upside. Long continuation above 352 towards 390. Breaking below the 326, and we are heading towards 307 together with this red trend line. This is only technical analysis. It's not rocket science. All we need is to zoom out, look left, where price came from, and where, with high probability, it will be heading next. This is why we have the levels for future resistance and support. Always prepare for both sides, because no one knows what will happen next. Tesla, another week, another nothing. This purple trend line together with this 237, in my opinion, needs to get retested as support before the next leg up towards back again to 300. Netflix, same as many other names, 418 to the downside, 451 to the upside, and as we can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of sideways move on Netflix. But if you zoom out, Netflix still in an uptrend. If you found anything you like on this video, it will be much appreciated if you just hit a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and check the Fibonacci-Traders playlist academy. 25 videos on how to become a better trader, free of course, each and every day on the technical side. And don't neglect the psychology behind trading. If you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, check the links in the description below. You're more than welcome to join us. Fibonacci Mentorship, one-on-one live, or the pre-recorded, same program, pre-recorded. 6 hours, 49 lessons. Both programs will guarantee lifetime access for support, guidance, all Discord channels, because Fibonacci traders, all we want is you to become your own indicator. Stop following others, stop depend on any other opinions. You will become your own indicator. Check the links in the description below. Nvidia, 430 to the support, 483 resistance, long above it towards this white trend line. Let's see, 430 needs to hold, otherwise we are heading towards this white trend line to the downside. AMD, another week, another sideways move, 110 to the downside. Now let's see a touch on this purple trend line, and then back up above 120. We are heading towards 133, and then purple trend line as future resistance for the higher highs. These two purple trend lines, as you can see, gives us the roadmap for future price action. And as long as this lower trend line is holding, AMD is in an uptrend. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Until the opening bell, stay safe.